Please watch the previous video to check out the results of comparing DF64 with Nishijiro and Ultra Grinder. Thank you! DF64! Man, it's actually really easy to disassemble. So take the puffer out, take the puffer out, and then unscrew the dial. And then until you can just take it out like this. And then take this one out as well. Put it on here. And there are like bottom burr and there is a upper burr. And you just need a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, something like this. And then put it in here, yeah, something like this. But the burrs keep like turning as you like unscrew it. So you have to stick a thing in there. Put this kind of thing in and unscrew 3 screws on here, here, and there. That's it. So that's the bottom burr, and then you can just stick those thin kind of things on here, then hold it on the sides and then take it out. Pull it out, that's it. And then the top burr as well, the top burr too. So unscrew the 3 screws, then that's it. Easy. And it doesn't move anyway, so easier. Now you may want to clean the screws first, because there are some ground stuck in the screw. There you go. Oh, shoot. Oh, come on. And unscrew it. There you go. Nice, nice. And take the burr out too. As I take things apart, I just clean it a bit. This one is real, Yeah, I just need to use the vacuum cleaner. Oh, this can be a problem. So if you look at here, so there are quite a ground stuck in the chute, the entrance of the chute. So I'm just gonna dig it in, dig it out. Wow, that's quite a lot. This can be a problem. This has got the kind of like cover, silicone cover on there to break the clumps. Oh, that's kind of nice, but that causes the ground stuck in front of it. Yeah, still some stuck in there. There you go. So I'm not sure if you could see. When you grind, the clumps go through the silicone thing, it kind of like breaks the clumps. And then I just put the SSP bar on there. So SSP 64, I think it's the high uniformity, and it has got the top and bottom burr separately. So this is the bottom burr. So I just put it on here first. And the top bar goes on here. That's it. And then I just put the screws back in. Oh, there we go. Top bar first, top burr. Come on. Why is it so hard to screw it in? Weird. Jesus Christ, really? Are you serious? Wow, it's gonna take for a while. There are some ground stuck in the hole, I guess. It's weird. That's it. Those are 2 types. It has like 2 types of screws. So this is important. The shorter one is for the top burr. The longer one is for the bottom burr. Yeah, shorter one is for top burr, longer one is bottom burr. I didn't know that. I know now, so no wonder now. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Finally. And secondly, the bottom burr. That's it. And this one is important as well. So if you see here, there are 3 springs, and if you see here, there are 3 protruded parts. So this one should fit in the spring, 1, 2, 3. So they should be fit on there like this, and then and you have to press the spring so the threads can fit each other. If it finds the certain points, then it just screws. You can just screw it in like this. Oh, there you go. Nice, nice, nice. So if you put this all the way in, it should stop at 0. But it didn't stop at 0. It went further than 0. But anyway, so as it has got like let's say 5, the gaps can be 5. So as I said 15 before, so I'll set 10 now to compare. So let's make like espresso and taste it with the SSP burr. So I'll recheck the like grinding time. Dosing cup on, 18 grams again, 18 again. 18.3, I'll just do it and then throw some away. Put it in, there you go. I'm really not sure if it's faster. Still coming out. That's it. 21 seconds, yeah. Temp it. Oh, it goes quite deep. It means it's quite finer than before. Let's see. Start. Wow. I didn't mean to film like hour or something. It's been like an hour and 30 minutes or something. Ah, Jesus Christ. There we go. Wow. Yeah, as I expected, it goes, yeah, slower than before. Huh. See? So I just changed the grinder dial to, I think 15 will match with the previous graph. Let's do this. And time again. As it's coarser, it should take like less time to grind than before. Wow, done. Really? Still coming out, still coming out. Oh, there. I think that's it. Yeah, similar. Actually, the ground that comes out like quite a lot, the stage, kind of like finished like earlier. Wow, it has got like auto stop. Wow, it has got auto stop. I think it's 30 seconds. Wow, great. And retention is 0. Retention was 0. Before starting the shot, let's see the previous result. Okay. And flow is dropping down to 1.2 or something. And it took 39 seconds. 39 seconds. Yeah, nice. The pre-feeding 4 milliliters per second. Pressure goes up. And it's stuck at 1.3. It's a bit slightly faster though, so 13 probably, yeah. But it's similar like before. It's quite similar. Let's see how it goes. So I hope it goes at least 35 seconds though. 1, 2, please. 32 seconds, but I should try it. Yep, nicely done. Darker. Wow. Even though it's quite like faster. Wow. I can tell the uniformity got a bit lower by the flavor, but the aftertaste is less than the titanium burrs. The acidity is not as bright as the one before, and the clarity is like less than before. So the overall uniformity got lower, and the filings got lower too. So that means it's more like the SSP burrs are like working more like this bigger flappers. Wow, it's quite interesting. We've known the SSP burrs as like that. So even though you use the like smaller burrs grinder, especially the flappers, the result from the SSP, like it has got like more uniformity and less fine. So, but more uniformity and less fine means if you set the same grind dial, the shot can be faster. Shot can go faster, and the pressure can be like lower. So, for matching the lines, the flow rate and the pressure during the extraction, you have to grind finer with the SSP burr. So, as you grind finer, even though the uniformity is better, but overall the particle size goes smaller. So it goes darker, but as it has like less fine, it has got like, yeah, it has got like kind of like shorter and weaker aftertaste. Interesting. But it's all up to you. I don't mean that the SSP makes like better taste coffee, better flavor coffee, but it makes different coffee. So SSP burrs are quite cheaper than Ultra Grinder. So if you want to, then you can just get SSP burrs separately and then titanium burrs in the DF64 and then get a niche. Then it will cost still cheaper than this. Nice. Cost efficiency is great in that way, yeah. But I have to give this one back to the user, but I'm thinking to get one of those. Yeah. I'm thinking. That's kind of like pro point of the DF64 grinder, but con point now. Cons. It's got cons. So if I start grind, you can hear the quite high pitched sound. That means the burrs are kind of contacted. If I change the dial to coarser, the sounds are gone. But if I go finer, then it starts to make sounds. That means the burrs are contacted. So yeah. Why it happens is if it's leveled and then rotate properly, it doesn't make sound because it's still between the burrs there is a gap slightly. So if it like rotates as its position, then it will not make sound. The thing is though, this one rotates the pivot slightly. I'll show you. Actually, niche has got like similar problem. So I just start to grind. And then stop. See? And if I go finer, it makes this sound. That's kind of con of this. But yeah, niche as well. Niche kind of goes like, it doesn't go like straightly, but it kind of goes like, yeah. But niche really doesn't make that kind of sound. But it's conical grinder anyway. It doesn't need to go like as fine as this one because the overall the uniformity of the particles are low, so it can make like more resistance than this high uniformity burrs, the flat burrs. So anyway, yeah. So overall, really easy to use. Comes with the puffer and the dosing cup, and it has got like automatic stop feature after like 30 seconds, I guess. And then yeah, the price is really nice. The cost efficiency is really good, and it comes with like different colors, quite many types of colors. It's really easy to take apart and then clean and put it back. And just don't forget the screws have like two sizes. Longer one is for the bottom burrs and shorter one is for the top burrs. You can pick the like burrs, type of burrs. You can go for the normal burr and titanium, SSP, high uniformity and low uniformity, and actually at least go for the titanium burrs. That lasts much longer than just normal burrs. Yeah. Downside of this is it doesn't rotate like straightly. It rotates kind of like so the burrs can contact each other, so they can like damage the burrs during grinding. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Please like the video. Please set the alarm. Then as soon as I upload a new video, then you can get the alarm, and then you can be the first one to watch my video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.